Hi everyone, today we will create this in Blender, the animation, the loop animation and the materials for the column. So let's start and jump into Blender. So guys, as you see, I will start a general file in a Blender, keep everything, select the cube and hit N. The tab here appears, change the scale of the cube along the axis to 10. After scaling, apply the scale as always. Create an empty cube. Blender will create it in World Origin and go to first frame. Change the location of the cube, the empty cube, to -10. Hit K and location. So we created a keyframe for the location. If you want to know what's the shortcut of insert keyframe menu, go to edit, preference, key map, and right here in the search bar, insert. So this is insert keyframe menu and hit any key you want. For me, it's K. And after that, save preference. I will change the last frame to 100. Go to the last frame with the empty selected, change the Z to 10 and hit K location. So right now we have two keyframes. Select all keyframes, press T and set the interpolation to linear. And why I did this? Think of linear animation as a cruise control for your objects. You use it anytime you don't want natural speeding up or slowing down, which is perfect for making things look mechanical or even creating seamless loops. So right now I will select the column, go to edit mode, right click, subdivide. I will add subdivision to the column so it will be smoother if we try to deform it. So subdivide 10. I will add a loop here, move it, and another one here, move it down to, and I will go to modifiers. First thing I would add simple deform along the axis. Okay, I will make the angle 360. Okay, if you want add a subdivision surface, I will make it one level, it's enough. Just right click, shade smooth. After that, it's time for the magic. I will go to the origin and the simple deform and pick the empty. Right now, simply select the camera and go to front view by pressing 1 in numpad. Then press and hold Ctrl Alt and hit 0 in numpad. So you snapped the camera to the view. After that, I will change the dimensions and adjust the camera as we did before in the previous tutorials. So it's the materials time. I will give you a shortcut that will save you a ton of time. Select the object, go to materials, property, and add 5 materials and give every material a different base color. After finishing the materials, go to modifiers property and disable the modifiers in viewport just for now. We will enable them after finishing. Go to edit mode. I want to select this strip. So go to face selection, select the first face, press and hold shift plus control and select the last face. So we selected the whole strip. Give it the color you want. After finish adding the main materials, I want to add the light material on the edges here. So first of all, go to edit mode, go to edge selection by pressing 2 or click here, press and hold alt. This is the first edge. Press and hold alt shift 2, 3 and 4. Control plus to extend the selection. Then go to the white material, assign that and play with the emission. I will make it a 3. Go to modifiers properties and enable the modifiers. So right now we have this object, but before finishing I want to add an edge here, move it up, and another one here. So press 0 and numpad. So we finished. I enjoyed the video, guys. If you liked the video and found it useful, give me a like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.